derivatives of logarithmic functions. How to find it? Y is equal to log times the quantity of 3 plus sine x. Then, paano natin hanapin yung derivative niya? Ang gagawin natin is hanapin natin yung value ng u, which is 3 plus sine x, nakasulat dito. Then, the derivative of u, which is sine x, na alam naman natin yung derivative ng sine x is cos x. Then, para makuha natin yung derivative, i-apply natin yung formula ng derivative of logarithmic function, which is magiging ganito na equation natin, 1 over 3x plus sine x times ln 10 times cos x. So, bakit nga ba ln 10 yung nakasulat dito? Kasi kapag walang base yung log natin, automatically it will be 10. Kaya it explains na ln 10 yung nakasulat dito kasi yun yung value niya talaga. Kasi walang nakasulat. So, simplifying further, yung equation natin magiging cos x over 3x plus sine x times ln 10. Kaya, ganun lang kadali derive ng formula ng logarithmic functions. So, how to find the derivative of trigonometric function? First, we need to look at our equation. Y is equal to tangent 4x squared minus 2. So, alam naman natin na yung formula ng tangent, ng derivative ng tangent is secant squared u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So, yung first na hahanapin natin dito is yung derivative, yung value ng u, which is 4x squared minus 2. So, lalagay natin siya dito. So, second is yung derivative ng u naman yung hahanapin natin. So, ano nga ba yung derivative of u with respect to x? 12x. So, nahanap na natin yung dalawa natin kailangan para ma-solve natin yung derivative niya. So, i-apply na natin yung formula ito. Y prime is equal to secant squared u times du over dx. So, substitute na natin sila. Y prime secant squared, tapos yung value ng u, which is 4x squared minus 2. Then yung value ng derivative of u with respect to x, which is 12x. Pwede na itong maging derivative natin. Pero, gagawin pa natin siya standard form, standard niya. So, y prime is equal to 12x. Ilalagay natin to dito. Sunod, secant squared. Then, last na ilalagay natin is yung value ng u, which is 4x squared minus 2. So, ito na yung standard form. Yun lang. How to find the derivative of exponential function. So, ang first gagawin natin is titingnan natin yung ating equation. 9e to the 4x cubed plus 2x. So, ang gagawin natin dito is set aside muna natin ang ating constant at mag-focus tayo sa ating function. So, set aside natin yung 9. Then, mag-focus tayo sa ating function, which is, ibababa natin to, is equal to 4x plus 2x times ang ating derivative of u, which is 4x3 plus 2x. Then, next step is ibababa natin to. Baba natin yung constant, baba din natin yung ating function. Then, kukunin na natin kung yung derivative ng ating u, which is 12x plus 2. Mapapansin natin na wala siyang exponent. So, to simplify further, i-multiply natin yung 9 sa ating parenthesis. So, using distributive property, multiply natin yung 9 sa derivative ng ating u. So, 9 times 12x squared is equal to 108x squared. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Then, ibababa na, bring down na natin yung ating function na e to the 4x cubed plus 2x. Ganun lang kadali hanapin ang ating derivative of exponential function. So, our sample problem here for maxima and minima is find two non-negative numbers whose sum is 600 for which x squared y is a maximum. So, nasa problem natin na find two non-negative numbers that equal to 600. So, ang gagawin natin dito is x plus y is equal to 600. Then, ita-transform natin yung y para ma-plug in natin siya mamaya sa ating equation. So, y is equal to 600. Tapos, yung x ililipat natin dito para ma-transform natin yung y. Para maging isa na yung variable mamaya. So, let's just say na given naman yung maximum. So, let's just say na f of x is equal to x squared. Tapos, yung value ng x, ilalagay mo dito, 600 minus x. Then, i-distribute natin yung x squared sa ating y. So, ang gagawin natin, x squared times 600 is equal to 600x squared. X squared times x is equal to x cubed. So, ang gagawin natin dito is, kukunin natin yung first derivative niya. So, f of 1x is equal to 600 times the derivative of x squared is equal to 2x. And derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. So, nakuha na natin yung derivative nila. So, isi-simplify na natin. 600 times 2x is equal to 1200x. 1200x minus 3 minus 3x squared is equal to 0. So, equate natin siya ng 0. Then, maghanap tayo na ipafactor natin yung dalawang variables para mas maging lower yung value nila. Para mas madali. Then, factor natin sila sa 3 since divisible naman sila sa 3. So, yung 1,200 magiging 400. Since 3 divided by 1,400, 1,200 is 400. So, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 0. 1 na lang yung exponent yan. X na lang. X na lang pala. So, equate natin sila sa 0. So, ang both factor natin, i-equate natin sila sa 0. 3x is equal to 0. Then, divide both sides by 3. X is equal to 0. 400 minus x is equal to 0. X is equal to 400. Yan ang sagot. Then, so para malaman natin if it is a relative minimum and it is a relative maximum, kailangan natin kunin ang second derivative ng ating function. So, f double prime x is greater than 0, it is a relative minimum. If f of double prime is x greater than 0, if f double prime x is lesser than 0, it is a relative maximum. So, ang first na gagawin natin dito is kukunin natin yung second derivative ng variable na yung function na to. So, 1,200, yung derivative ng 3x minus 2 is 6x. So, magiging ganito na siya. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is substitute natin yung x to 0. Kasi ito yung first factor natin kanina. So, f double prime 0 is equal to 1,200 minus 6x. F double prime 0 is equal to 1,200 minus 6x. Substitute natin yung 0. 6 times 0 is equal to 0. Bring down 1,200 minus 0 is equal to 1,200. 1,200 is a positive number. So, therefore, it is a relative minimum since yung value ng x is mas mataas sa 0. Next is yung second value ng ating factor which is 400. So, f double prime 400 is equal to 1,200 minus 6 times 400. So, 6 times 400 is equal to 2,400. Then, yung bring down natin yung 1,200. Then, 1,200 minus 2,400 is equal to 1,200. So, therefore, it is a relative maximum because x is greater than the value of x. 0 is greater than the value of x. So, magiging sagot natin dito kasi is 400.